2-year family half-day snorkeling trip, what we're on now. And we're heading down to, I guess, the marina area, so it'll be about 13 minutes. Got some nice views out the window. Oops, out the window. So we head on down to this marina area. Anyway, it should be quite a cool day. Hurghada we're going through. Bit more kind of shop activity around here. Okay, so we got to the marina. We're strolling down the marina area and towards the boat, I'm guessing. Okay, got to the boat. Hamburg 1. Looks alright actually. Okay guys, we're heading on to the Hamburg 1. Hey man, how you doing? Good, thanks.
Can you take cash? Yes, she's off.
Man, I hate not wearing shoes. So, we're on. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Chilling out downstairs in the bottom of the boat, waiting for the two chit-chat about what's happening. So, heading off the marina. Got quite a cool view of the harbour area. You see how many submarines there are out there? Masses of them. Wandering down to the front of the boat. See what's out here. These crazy submarines, sailing ships, all sorts of stuff out here. Oh man, Bedouin tent spot. It's a beautiful day, man. The minarets in the background are so cool. So what did you say? 45 minutes till we get to the first place, about 10. See the other side of the thing? Other side of the harbour? Hopefully I'm not going to fall off the edge. So we just bought a guide about the fish for $3. What is it going to be otherwise? About £2 basically. Okay, so let's Midget's just going to explain the fish guide.
There's a dugong.
There's the dugong.
Alright, let's show them the turtle. Good example.
Turtle.
So, you can see it's 1.1 meters long. It doesn't tell us how deep it is, and you should not touch it.
Should not touch it. That says depth, size, do not touch. Dangerous species, no approach. Which is the no approach?
Ham and jellyfish.
Ham and jellyfish, man, don't touch the jellyfishes either.
So you don't want to approach the scalloped hammerhead, which is 4.2 meters long.
Man alive, just hope you don't see it. So that's a bit mean, but quite scared. There's a lot of stuff here, man. It's a huge range of different fish here. It's stunning. It is going to be one of the most amazing places for snorkeling and diving in the world. This is Hurghada, where we're staying. And I think these are all dive snorkeling spots, and so I think we're going around here somewhere basically. You got like a sailing ship following us behind. Well, it must actually have a motor because the sails are right. Got loads of boats out here, man. That's like, look at it, everywhere. Right on top of the boat, pretty funky view up here. Check it out. There's literally what appears to be like a flotilla of boats heading off towards what must be these scuba spots. Look at the sea, it's such a beautiful colour. Oh, okay, so I've changed the microphones obviously because we're going to go underwater with the GoPro. So getting ready for that basically, everybody. We are ready to rock. So I think we should be arriving at the first place where we'll do the snorkeling. I think we're about to get in. Crew getting ready to go into the sea. So we seem to be going out on motorboats to the place where we do the snorkeling. Everybody's getting into the little motorboat. get in.
That one.
That is it cold.
No, not really. Yeah, that was freaky, man. They're not dangerous, the jellyfish.
No.
Any of them.
It's not dangerous in the Red Sea, only in the normal sea, or the White Sea. Wow, that is much bigger.
Very good.
Oh, this is right.
Oh, massive blue one. Absolutely gigantic.
We were following a big school of fish the whole time.
We were. We were still around right close. It's quite amazing, actually. Just, have you sprayed?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Done the snorkeling. Done the snorkeling. This channel is absolutely amazing. Done in day out here on the boat. Absolutely brilliantly organised by two, I'd say. Guys who are helping us swim are just so cool and so generous. So fantastic. Anyway, here we are, heading back to Hurghada. We've got these beautiful just views, such a lovely boat ride today, such a beautiful day. We're heading back to Hurghada Marina basically. Thoroughly 100% recommend this two trip. Anyway, very nice to see you. And Adarafiz, Hafiz Zain, please subscribe to this channel and the other one at TravelDog on the channel. Cheerio, Hafiz Zain, bye bye, Adarafiz.